Good looking, so refined. Say, wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind? So let me get right to the point. I don't pop my cork for every guy I see. Hey, big spender.
Prince DL in the building, baby. We live in Sydney, Australia, you feel me?
A little time
yeah.
with me.
Hey, how do you pronounce that shit again?
This hit is Givenchy, $900 jeans, homie. All these girls be raunchy, like let me see your peen, homie. She tryna cause a scene, but I'm in Paris with my team, walking slow like I'm on lean. Damn, my nigga jewelry looks so clean. I occasionally born in Lambin. I ain't talking about Jim Jones, nigga. I'm talking about hooping up, special shirt, breaking bones. Fuck your Rolex, roll up, homie. Roll that kush, blow that, homie. Oh, stop that, the popo on me. Oh, shit out the window. Let's see ya. We just getting saucy and RC, we bossy. Tryna bring back the turn, bling bling, cause we flossy. You brought snapbacks back, well that's a cool accomplishment. I'm on the other side, on the other globe in the conference.
Big spender, good looking, so refined.
We've been all over the world, baby.
Let's
get right to the point.
I don't pop my cork for every guy I see. Hey, big spender.
Hey, I just bought a kangaroo and a leather jacket, man. I'm coming back to America swagging out. Let's go.
Fuck that shit, I'm too though. Pretty nigga, my jewels go. Pinky ring and my tooth go. Yo, main bitch is my new hoe. Boss nigga like Hugo. Rolex or the Q blow. Niggas taking my screw flow. They tryna jack it like new clothes.